Hello and welcome back. I hope that you're all having an amazing day today. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we're actually going to be taking a look at the Pat McGrath Labs FemmBot Fetish Lip Trio. So if you're interested in seeing what came inside of this lip trio, stay tuned. So I was surfing on SEPHORA and I came across this Pat McGrath mini lip trio, so I decided to pick it up. And it's called the FemmBot Fetish Lip Trio, and it said on the site that it's new, so I'm guessing this is one of the new releases. I'm not sure if it's for holiday or not. But inside of this little trio we have a lip liner, a lipstick, and like a lip balm. So here's what the little trio looks like. And it has a little, I don't know if you can see it, it has like some little confetti in the packaging. I'm trying to move it around there so you can see it. Now the cost of this little package is $25. And I know that sounds like a lot for 3 little lip products, but this is Pat McGrath and her products are quite expensive. So $25 for 3 products, even if they are mini or deluxe size, is a pretty good deal. I don't have any of her lip products, so I wanted to pick this up so I could give them a try. So let's go ahead and dive into this and see what the colors look like. The packaging on these lip products is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. That beautiful gold, and then the black with the gold, and then the lips on the front. That is so, so pretty. So the first product we're opening up here is the lip balm. And here's what that looks like. It's just a clear lip balm. And there's a decent amount of product in there. It's not a huge amount, but I think it's enough for you to use long enough to determine whether or not you like this product. Let me go ahead and try this lip balm on just to see how it feels. Okay. It's actually pretty moisturizing. Okay. It does. It feels really, really good on the lips. I actually quite like this. Okay. It doesn't have any color at all to it, but my lips were kind of dry from trying on some other lippies in a previous video that I just did before this. And this definitely feels really good and moisturizing. All right. And again, there's not a ton of product in there, but enough to determine whether or not you like it and would purchase the full size. The next item I'm going to show you is the lip liner, and this is in the color Suburbia. And here's what that looks like. And it says it's a mid-tone rose shade. Okay, and here's what that looks like there. That's a very pretty color. Go ahead and swatch this. Oh yeah, that's real pretty. Glides like butter. Look at that. But I'm guessing for the price, it should glide like butter, right? That is gorgeous. Let's go ahead and put it on. Now, I'm not sure how it's going to go on with this lip balm. I may have to kind of wipe some of the lip balm off to get the lipstick on. I didn't even think about that. Please ignore my sloppy lip lining job, but here's what the lip liner looks like on. It's very, very pretty. Very nice color. So let's go ahead and take a peek at the lipstick, which is the last item in this little collection. And the lipstick is in the color FemmBot, and it is a mid-tone neutral pink. Again, here's what the packaging looks like. Oh, that's pretty. And here's what the color looks like. Again, there's not a whole lot of product in here, enough to use it for a little while to determine if you want to invest in the full-size product. Let me go ahead and swatch FemmBot for you real quick. Oh, that's pretty. Again, it glides really nicely. That's what that looks like. And it's a nice match with this. It's not as dark as the liner, but the contrast is quite nice. So let's go ahead and put it on. Again, not the best lipstick application, but I actually really like this color, and I like it with the liner as well. So here's what that looks like. A very nice pinky color there. And it feels amazing on the lips. These products feel so, so good. But again, I guess they should feel that good, and you should have that kind of experience when you're paying for a product at this price point. Well, anyway, that is all 3 of the products that came inside of this Pat McGrath Labs FemmBot Fetish Lip Trio. What did you think about this little lip trio? Do you feel it's worth the $25? Is it something you would consider getting for yourself? Let me know down in the comments below. If you're not tired of hanging out with me yet, guys, I will go ahead and link my last video right here so you can check that out if you like. Anyway, that's all that I have for today. I thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, guys, have an amazing day. Take care. Bye-bye.